Hello everybody. Oops. Hello everybody. My name is Sigflepsinislabel, also known as Assembly, and hello Video Scoopy, Videoscopy, Video Copy, Videoscopy. Hello you. Perhaps you could tell me how to pronounce your name. This is in response to your question, how exactly does that work? Well, as far as SQL mitigation is concerned. Well, the idea behind the entire thing is I'm trying to discover if there's a way you can tell that a message has attack code in it. And I'm doing that by comparing messages that have attack code against messages that don't. So what you do for SQL is you have a signature of an SQL statement that you want to execute on your database server. You do the actual executing of the... Okay, so say for instance you had an SQL statement for your database server, select hash from users where name equals Bob, and Bob being user input. The user could put delimiters in the user input and have a SQL injection, which would be select hash from users where name equals Bob or X equals X, dumping the hash. That would dump the hash for the entire user database table, the hash value for the entire table. So there's a difference between these two messages. One is attack code and one is not, and that's the theory behind what we're trying to do. Is we're trying to discover whether a message is attack code or it's not. And so you take the signature of something that you know is safe, that is doing what you want to do, and you compare it against the signature of what you're actually doing. And if it's the same, you're doing the same thing, you just have different data. If it's different, you're doing something entirely different. So for SQL injection, you take the signature of what you want to be done, you compare it against what actually is being performed, and if it differs, that's attack code, and you don't run it. So that's the concept behind it and how it's used. So cool beans. I hope that makes sense. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.